Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Talk. We're going to talk again real quick with Michael Robilio. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Michael Robilio from Concord Marine Electronics, obviously, he's putting all his time in to kind of educate everybody, and I really appreciate that. So go ahead and roll the thing and let's get into it. Okay, I got another question for you.
Okay, what do you got?
Okay, so we all know that Starlink's going to increase their pricing.
Yes.
Okay. Boo. All right, but now all of a sudden, now it's not unlimited. Maybe you could run down what I'd like to know what data burns what. In other words, how much does a TV use? How much does a computer use? How much does social media? Do you have those numbers?
I actually do. I've got a few of them here.
Okay.
And I'll start with email because that's what a lot of people are using the most.
Okay, email.
And if you don't have a lot of attachments and it's just text, email's basically next to nothing. So email's not a lot.
Okay.
Only whatever attachments you're sending. The next one I've got is social media, and social media uses a lot with all the video and the pictures that are there. It's usually about 1 gigabyte an hour for social media.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, it's more than I thought. And if you're doing video calls, if you're spending a lot of time on Zoom and Teams, video calls are about a gig and a half per hour.
Video call.
Yes, for a video call.
Wow.
A gig and a half an hour. And then if you're going to watch a movie in high def,
Yeah.
that's usually around 4 to 5 gigs for one movie in high def. And then a lot of people watch YouTube. If you're at medium resolution, it's about 2 gigs an hour.
So the things that you just, I'm going to cheat here and look, the things you just mentioned in 1 hour is 2, 4, 5.5, 6.5 gigabytes in 1 hour if all that's going on at the same time.
Yes, if you've got...
And boats with a lot of crew and guests, that could easily be going on times 2.
Yeah. I mean, we've seen boats burning 100 gigs a day. We see that all the time. Because they're using, they're streaming music, they're downloading videos, they're watching DirecTV, they're watching YouTube, people are using it. It's being used.
So you're going to have to monitor your usage because obviously we're going to be paying more for it. But real quick, I know we have like 30 more seconds. What can we do to reduce this? Because one of my biggest problems is I'll be sitting around doing nothing and all of a sudden the TV or something is updating and the thing is like, is there anything we can do to kind of reduce the flow a little for stuff that does it automatically?
Well, if you have a device like the MDS Blender, it allows you to limit use by user or device.
Oh.
So you can give a crew member, okay, you get 10 gigs a week and that's it.
I did not know that.
Yeah, so you can give people on your network and devices on the network very specific amounts of data that they can use, and when it's done, it's done.
That's really good information.
Yes,
so I can tell
helpful.
my printer, I don't want you to do that 2.2 gigabyte update while I'm offshore or doing something where it's costing a fortune.
Yes,
okay.
That or you can just turn it off.
I can't turn my printer off. I mean, it's just the whole crew's like, why isn't the printer working? All right, man. I appreciate it.
Thanks you so much.
Thanks. All right, we'll see you guys next time.